I guess we found a silver lining. I'm glad you're doing so well. If only you could see how I've been. I'm being real.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome here if you are new. I am Daquana White. I bring you plus size fashion content as well as lifestyle and beauty content. So today I'm doing something that I don't know if I've ever done here on my YouTube, but I want to do a product empties and faves video. So I'm super excited about this just because like I use things throughout the year, sometimes years, and I might rave about them or mention them in passing, but a one-stop shop where I tell you guys all of my favorites currently and for the past year or so, I think is very dope. So we're going to go ahead and get into it without further ado. It may be a little lengthy and I'm going to try to, oh, these are some too. I'm going to try to organize it by category. And we have hygiene, workout stuff, not too many snacks, but I have one drink that I've really been loving, home stuff, fragrance, makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in. Starting off strong. Black Girl Vitamins PCOS gummies. Amazing. Okay, I'm on like my other bottle and it's like right here, so immediately yes. I need like, I guess I should have got a trash can. The Sparkle Mint TheraBreath. I do have another mouthwash in here. This one is really, really good. I do love TheraBreath. It doesn't burn. This particular one doesn't burn. Not sure of the others. But I also, this is my new bottle because I finished my girl Renanda, and this is the whitening. I think I really do love this one better. So again, I went and repurchased it immediately, so this is an absolute yes. Here's something I have emptied, probably this is my third one, and I have gifted it 3 times as well. This is the Feeling Jazzed Body Wash by Method. It does say limited edition, and this smells similar to the Billie Eilish perfume, the gold one, and it's creamy vanilla, cocoa, and musk. It's so good, and they just need to make it permanent. The Lumi, and this is toasted coconut. To know me is to know I love a toasted almond, pistachio, toasted coconut. This is so good. Aside from the unscented one, I love this one. Okay, the tangerine and the other ones, the peony rose is good too, but this is my favorite one ever. Random. This drink right here, Zevia, the orange creamsicle. I went to try to get some more today. They didn't have it, so I had to get peaches and cream. But I've been doing like the 0 sugar sodas, and this one right here is so good. Like what they say, I hate going to that friend house who got 0 sugar. Yes, that's what you're getting in the fridge. 0 sugar everything, or you're getting some cranberry juice. That's my last one, and I'm kind of sad. Next, we have the Mavwix Brazilian Summers Diffuser Oil. I recently got one of those cold air diffusers for the whole house, and I wake up every day so excited for the way the house smells. This smells so good. I love their mop soap, the all-purpose spray, but this right here smells the house up. I went and bought a really big one. I love the R&W Co. Brazilian Waves. It smells similar to this, so I needed a bigger one. This 2 ounces, no, I need a big one. I don't know how many times I have refilled this. I usually buy them by the 3s on Amazon. This is the Febreze Air and the scent Wood. I have this in probably every bathroom. I love this so much. It has amber, oud, and cedar, and it's just too good. This next thing is actually kind of full, and I was hesitant to open it because it's my last freaking bottle. This is the pine scent, the Iowa pine scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and it's a limited edition scent. Honestly, I should have just got more around Christmas. Hopefully I can find some on Amazon or something, because this is my favorite scent for freaking cleaning up. Like, I love it. Incense, skylight incense are so good. It's hard for me to find really good incense that's not too intoxicating and make me kind of nauseous, and this brand right here, this is a sample pack, and the only thing I wish is that I knew what each scent was, because I have burnt some and was like, oh my gosh, I need that, but I don't know the name of the scent. But there are so many to choose from, and I'm immediately buying some if they have like a marshmallow or kind of like a Brazilian Waves, Brazilian Summers kind of vibe. Immediately purchasing, because these are really, really good, and they last for days in the house. Like, burn one, it'll last for like 3 days. Okay, so we have some workout shoes and socks to get into. First being these kind of like barefoot ones. At first I wanted the ones that kind of grabbed on each toe, but these are the Saguaro ones, and I got these from, I think, TikTok Shop or Amazon. They're good, but I do want to try the ones that are like toesies up in here. These right here are like walking on clouds. I love weightlifting and doing like cardio with this, but these are really good for walking too. However, I don't know. I got these from Amazon. They're a little walked in, as you can see. And I don't know which one I like better, but I'm gonna kind of lean towards this one because these can be a little bulky sometimes. But I love that you don't have to unlace anything. They both, you can just like slip them on and adjust them. And lastly, for Pilates, I love these toeless socks. These are so good. You have so much control when you're on the reformer compared to if you're wearing like a bulky sneaker or shoe. So immediately, yes. Now let's get into some fragrances. Sweet Heaven has been my goat. Like, I love this fragrance. I wore this at the top half of last year, and when I felt like I was wearing it too much, clearly I was like, okay, put it down until you get another bottle. So I immediately have to go get more of this. Now, this is my second bottle of the Cahiers Pistachio. This is so good. This is so good. I love this so much. I love pistachio. I told y'all, I'm just a nutty type of girl. I love it. Now, this is one where I love wearing it at night. Now, I'll wear it in the daytime if I'm not really going anywhere. But as far as like projection and longevity, it's not really something I would wear by itself. I would layer it with other perfumes. But this is just a body mist. And I love wearing it when I get out of the shower and I'm about to go to bed. I don't need it to last that long in the bed, okay? But yeah, this is so good and I love the smell. And this is Pink Beach. A new favorite is the HYGIENE Kiss. I think this is so perfect for Valentine's Day. It has like raspberry, coconut, musk, condensed milk. It's just something I don't have in my collection, and when I say it smells so good, it smells so freaking good. And I could see myself just wearing this out. Okay, I'm going to wear this out. But yeah, this is the new favorite, so it's still kind of full. A few makeup products. So we have the One Size Turn Up the Base, and this is in the shade Dark Deep 25. I finally found my perfect shade after trying 3 times, and it was worth the try. It was worth the trial and error, okay? One I'm wearing today is going to be the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is 5N2 Amber Honey, and she's good. She's amazing. They just sent another bottle and I'm like, thank you. Thank you so much. Like, thank you. From the lip bar, I got 2 new faves. I haven't used an eyebrow pencil in so long, but their Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil in black brown. Yes, immediately. I'm using it today. And then the Smudge Proof Lip Liner in Straight Facts. This is really, really good. I don't have it on today because I have on a lip stain, but this. Lastly, let's get into some skincare, and let me try to pull them out because they're at the bottom. First being, I don't know how many bottles of Umber by J. Lenae's Hirsutism oil that I have used, but y'all know this is goated. I always show it when I'm doing my waxes and stuff too, so y'all know like this is the Hirsutism oil that I use. I am like at the bottom with this one. I don't know how many bottles I have went through, but I do think it has contributed to my facial hair growth progress. Aside from the PCOS vitamins from Black Girl Vitamins, consistent waxing, this right here, I think has really, really helped. The Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer with SPF 50. I rave about this all the time. Get it. It's a staple in my skincare. Just yes. Immediately yes. The Urban Skin RX, and it is the Hydrating Lip Treatment with peptides, collagen, and avocado oil. I have been using this for a while. It is gone. Like, I think I probably have 2 more squeezes out of here, but I love this so much. I feel like it hydrates my lips so well when I do my nighttime skincare. We are down to the last 2 products, both kind of like toners. This is a more milky toner. It's from Point of View, and it's the Drench It Prime and Milk, and it's like priming, plumping, hydrate, and all that good stuff. I just love using this before my makeup. It is after kind of I do my skincare, but it's still something I really like to incorporate into priming my skin for a nice beat. Okay, last product being the Bioderma Original Micellar Water. This is my second bottle. You see where I'm at with it. I use it on either a cleansing cloth for my face when I'm taking off makeup, or just on a toning pad if I don't have makeup and I'm just wanting to do a double cleanse. I'll do like a water-based or oil-based cleanser and then go and follow up with this right here. I love this micellar water. It doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped. It just feels really, really clean, but still hydrated. So yeah, definitely goated, and I can see myself using this for a very, very long time. I will keep it in rotation. Okay, we have reached the bottom of the basket. So let me know down below if you guys saw any of your faves pop up. I have been using some of these products for like years. I'm like, why haven't I done a freaking product empties or a product faves? Like, what are we doing? Okay. But I'm super excited that we got into it. Empty. Okay. I actually need to do a thumbnail. Ooh. Okay, I got some reading and book content to do, so I will see y'all in the next video.
Fine with the silence, there's some good and goodbye. Oh,